What's up, Tugs Rugs? This is Travis here. Hey man, what we about to get ready to do today, we're about to get ready to do a rug for a head coach at York College, Tree Burks, man. Hey, the head coach hit us up, wanted us to go ahead and knock out a little rug, you know what I'm saying? So let me show you what this rug look like. So this is the rug right here, what we about to do. He want a 4-foot rug, so a 48-inch. So I'm gonna try to get this as big as I can. I'm gonna even try to get it a little bit bigger than 48, man. So I'm about to get ready to draw this thing up, man. So let's go. Alright, so we got this thing all drawn up, man. This thing measures 64 inches long, man. And then it's like 40 inches like wide. So hey, this is gonna be a long rug, man. It's about to be a nice one, man. But hey, I'm not gonna do the rug today. We're gonna turn it over to the CEO of the company, Travis II, man. He's gonna knock out this rug today. We need to get him in some more of these videos. So yeah, so we're gonna have him do this time lapse, and hey, let's get to it. Alright people, so we got this thing, well, he got this thing all done, man. So I got the glue on the back, so let me show you how big this thing is. So this is the back side of it right there. Look at it. Oh, that thing is huge, man. That thing is huge, man. Let me show you the other side real quick. Oh my goodness, look how huge that is, you all. So the black is not going to be there. I thought the customer wanted some black inside here, so we had to take some of that out, but we're gonna get the rest of that black out of there. But it is gonna be black between the eyes, the ears, and that part right there. But look at it, y'all. That thing is crazy. Like I said, this is gonna be at York College. The basketball coach, man, Tree Burks. Look at it, man. It's crazy. It's about to be in the office. I'm sure it's probably gonna be in his office, y'all. Probably ain't gonna let nobody step on it. Man, that's pretty neat. So of course we want to thank you, Coach Burks, for putting in this order, man, letting us be able to create this for you, man, because I know you about to put this in your office. I don't know where you about to put it. You might put it in the house. I don't know. But it came out pretty good, man. So if y'all have any questions, make sure y'all comment at the bottom, man. This was a great rug, man. Woo. Yeah, it took a little minute. It took a little while, man. So we're going to have to break down that time lapse, you know. It took a little minute. So, hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel like always, man. Hey, see y'all on the next rub. Peace.